Hey guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have Tracey Boakye Papano surprises her with an expensive gift on Valentine's Day. Yeah, so actress and movie producer Tracey Boakye, who recently took over the internet with the brouhaha surrounding Papano, has set tongues wagging on social media as she celebrated Valentine's Day in grand style. However, as much as everybody celebrates Valentine's Day, Tracey, who has just received a gift on that special day from Papano, decided to unwrap her hamper with her fans on social media. After unboxing the package, Tracey brought out a pack of chocolates, a teddy bear, a bottle of wine, and a brand new phone. Yeah, so the phone happens to be a Samsung Galaxy S Fold 2 with GSM Arena, estimated to be more than $2,000. That's over 12,000 Ghana cedi. Yes, so after pulling out the phone from its box and inspecting, an excited Tracey Boakye kissed it and put it back in the box before removing other items from the hamper. Sharing the video, Tracey Boakye's caption suggested that she had received the phone and other items from her lover. "Thank you so much, my love. Happy Valentine to us." That was the caption of the post. So you guys watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Happy birthday.